In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Zerion Wallet app. By the end, your interface will be easier on the eyes, especially in low light, and your portfolio, wallet, and activity screens will all share a sleek, consistent look. I'll walk you through it clearly and give helpful context along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, go to Zerion. Open the Zerion Wallet app on your device and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your portfolio or wallet overview. If you've been away from the app for a while, it may take a second to refresh your balances. That's normal and won't affect the steps. Next, click on Settings at the top right. Look for the small gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping that will open the Settings panel. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the main Zerion tab rather than inside a specific token or NFT view. The gear icon appears on the primary screen. Now click on Appearance. In the settings list, you'll see a section labeled Appearance. This is where Zerion groups display preferences, including themes. Tap Appearance to open your visual options. If you have a lot of settings, you might need to scroll a bit, but it's typically near the top and easy to spot. From here, choose the theme. On the Appearance page, you'll see theme choices that control how the app looks. Themes adjust background colors, text contrast, and accents across portfolio, swap, and wallet screens. Selecting a theme applies instantly so you can preview how it feels without leaving the page. Finally, click on Dark Theme. Tap Dark to switch the entire interface to a darker palette. You should notice the background turning deep gray or black, with text and icons shifting to lighter tones for strong readability. The change happens right away, and you can navigate back to your portfolio or wallet to confirm everything looks consistent. If you use your phone at night, this setting reduces glare and can make charts and lists more comfortable to read. It may even help conserve battery on devices with OLED screens, since darker pixels generally use less power. That's it. You've enabled dark mode on the Zerion Wallet app. If you ever want to revisit your choice, return to Settings, open Appearance, and adjust the theme again. Your preference is saved automatically, so you won't need to reapply it each time you open the app. Enjoy the cleaner look and more comfortable viewing experience.